Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back!
Cheers.
Cheers! So, welcome back, the long-awaited video. And guys, we promise this is one of our last videos of the house. Is it?
One of
the last videos of the house, and we are so happy that you've been with us in our journey and in this kind of new series. And this is our last video in the backyard because we're gonna show you guys what we have here.
That's right, and we're finally done with it. So we're gonna give you guys the big reveal if you've been waiting this long. This is, I guess, part 3 of our series now. So
Final part.
yeah, it's taken forever. It's really taken longer than expected. So I think we both helped each other out though, and I think we're happy with the results at the moment. We'll see what's in store. You guys give us feedback and comment down below what you think we should do next.
So give us ideas of what we can put out here before our housewarming party, which is coming very soon. So super excited. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
We did it.
Let's drink our wine.
A little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
Alright, welcome back, guys. So before we even show you guys the final look, I know you guys can see a little bit out here. So let's take you back with a few days ago, us finishing up the backyard. Let's go! Alright guys, we are about to finish this video, so let's do this real quick. The last step is putting the mulching.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is day 3 or day 4. I'm forgetting, but anyway, we wanted to show an update as of yesterday of what we did and how the backyard looks right now. I'm very happy with it, and it rained so bad, so trees are falling down. But yeah, you'll get the point how it looks. So let's see. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our final look of our backyard. guys, so comment down below what you think. So we're gonna show you everything we have. My first favorite place is my small little garden. Come and show you guys. So some of the things have actually died, so I had to kind of replant them, and there are a lot of mosquitoes over here. So we're going to come closer. So one of these, this side I have coriander leaves. I have also some spinach over there. They are pretty small. I have spinach again over there. I have coriander leaves here. This is the boy. Kenyan people would know what that is. That's spinach. I love spinach, so I have like spinach in everything. That's also the boy. I don't know like what it is. That's pepper. So this is my first little garden. Then come and show you Tyler's garden. Tyler has only 2 stuff. I'm not laughing at you, babe, but you've done great because you're the one who made us have the first fruit of our garden, which is awesome. Come and show you. Look at this. Tyler planted this. Just imagine, guys. He planted this, and we have, they're called sweet banana pepper. And we ate these the other day, and they're really good. The only thing that we planted Tyler planted that is not working for us yet. We don't know why. If you know, comment down below. But this is a tomato, which he hasn't given us any tomatoes, and it's super long. We are like, okay, what have we not done right? So we don't know about that, but at least we have those 2. That's Tyler's. He also has another one there, California Wonder Pepper, that hasn't had any fruit yet. So come and show you my other garden. This is my garden that has been like it's the most successful one, but not everything is successful. So I don't know what I did wrong, but this side we have the onions, and they haven't come out. Either they've been eaten, or I just don't know what I should be doing with the onions. But nothing is on here. I don't know why. I can see like some green stuff, but maybe I also just don't know how they should look, you know? I don't know. This side is manago. It's like some African grains, so I'm super excited to eat that. And these are tomatoes, which you kind of transfer them once they become bigger, because of course you've seen how big they are over there, and have just some supporting whatever. Then this is collard greens we have over here, which something is eating my collard greens. For my Kenyan people, this is kumawiki. So something is eating, so I might have to like look for a net to kind of cover them. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, that's my garden, guys. I'm so happy. I also have some, what do I have over there? Some potatoes. I have some potatoes over there, which I'll not show you guys. So Tyler, do you want to show us the rest of the place? And then you guys will judge our effort of Tyler's effort, my effort for trying to bring our backyard to life. I'm super happy.
Alrighty guys, so this is our beautiful dining area. We're still working on this, but we got the chairs and we got a little table and we got an umbrella here. A really nice umbrella that Betty picked up. It retracts, and so I got to get down a little further. It folds inwards and outwards. Oh yeah, here we go. So that way we can put it all up and get it out of the way. So that's our cool little furniture at the moment. You let us know what we need here. Maybe we need like a big sectional, like a big old L-shaped sectional. But
yeah, before we host people for sure.
We'll see. We need something. This is our grill. And yeah, we cook many delicious meals on here. Very many. All the chicken and goat Betty desires. We cook it all up, and yeah, it's just scrumptious. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy. Okay, then we have an alternative.
And this is our alternative grill. In case we run out of fuel, we have gas and charcoal. So 2 for 1. 2's always better than 1. And then we got just this tiny little fireplace. It's not doing so well, but that's because we leave it outside. But it's cool. It shoots a little flame up here if we ever want to have a fire. It's yeah, we'll show you in a later video, but it's cool. It provides some ambiance. So, and speaking of ambiance, we also have our lights, which I think we're all most proud of. And they're solar powered as well as remote operated. So, woo-wee. For all
Ta-da!
my Kenyans that love solar power, we do too. Yeah. And they come on every night like this. I'm just turning them on manually, but they'll come on
Automatically.
automatically at when the sun goes down. But voila, guys, that is our backyard, and you let us know what you think we should do, and we'll do it.
Yeah. Anyway, thanks guys for watching up to this far. Remember to
Like, share, and subscribe,
and see you guys on our next video.
and comment.
Bye guys. Peace.